Please excuse the interruption as we fly over the Sierra Nevadas. I wanted to take a moment to give some context or preface this vlog. We're heading to Kentucky for my nephew Brandon's wedding, and then after Kentucky, we're heading over to Nashville. I just want to forewarn you, there is going to be a bit of debauchery that will ensue.
I don't know what started this. Well, I mean, I know.
You did.
I know, yeah, I kind of started it, but.
So we just got to our hotel in Nashville. It's a Fairfield Marriott, and they have a rooftop bar here. That's why Steph booked this place. But check this out. We came into the room and we looked down and we saw an envelope that said Daniel and Stephanie. And when Steph made the reservations, she made no mention of me in that. And so we're all, oh my gosh, what's going on here? So look at this. All right, so we have this gift certificate to the lounge. If you can't read it, elevate your Gulch experience, happy anniversary, check your fridge. So there's that. We went to check the fridge. Look at this. We have a legit charcuterie board. I hope I'm saying that right. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And so it's crazy because Steph always talks about these boards, and she kind of made something like this for the picnic that we just had in Carmel. So there's that, and then we went back over to here, and look at this. All right, it says, hello, congratulations on your anniversary. It's fitting that you're staying with us. No one appreciates beards and love more than we do. So freaking awesome. So that was a great way to start our little Nashville excursion.
Yes.
Needless to say, tonight we'll be going up to the rooftop bar here. So freaking awesome. If up in this hotel, if you guys are watching this, if you do end up watching this YouTube video, thank you so much. Just, it's those special touches right there, just that makes everything that much more memorable. So yeah, we'll be partying with you tonight. We're back to the hotel room and we did a ton of shopping. Well, she did a ton of shopping, and then we did a lot of walking around the Gulch area. So we made it back to the hotel room. We're just gonna go ahead and go to the up bar where we got that gift certificate to. We're gonna get some hot chicken, spicy chicken, what do they call it?
Like Nashville hot chicken tacos.
Nashville is famous for hot chicken tacos, and I'm gonna get some pulled pork jerk chicken. I don't know what it is. But everything shuts down at around 10 p.m. So we're gonna try to get in as much as possible in the small amount of allotted time. I think we have like 2.5, 3 hours to do some damage.
2 hours to do as much damage as we can.
So we out. Okay, here's the deal. All right, we had two plans that kind of fell through. We were initially going to do some moonshine tasting and then go to some like Dolly Parton pink place. But because of what's going on right now, the moonshine place was closed, and then we ended up going to the Dolly Parton place. And I mean, everyone there at the front, they were very nice, but their policies were very pretentious. And so we didn't really have a good vibe in regard to that. So we ended up coming to this place. What is this place? Taco, what is it?
Bar Taco.
So it's Bar Taco, and it is absolutely amazing. Everyone here is super nice. And it was
best margaritas, so I've been told, and now I've experienced, and I agree.
And it was kind of meant to be for it to work out this way. Like, it's much more relaxed, and we're not out in the heat, because that was the other thing. We were sat outside, and there was no umbrellas at our table, and it's 95 degrees right now with humidity, so it wasn't comfortable all around. But that being said, it was meant to be that we were supposed to come here, and like she said, she loves her margaritas. The margarita, phenomenal, spicy but phenomenal, which is exactly what she likes as of late. And I just got some sangria, nothing special in regard to what I want, but I wanted something light because I've been doing a bit of drinking. Well, I did one night of heavy drinking. It was one night. What did I have? I had everything. Like white wine, red wine, bourbon, champagne, What else?
He does all his drinking without me because I didn't really drink that night. So now he doesn't want to drink with me while we're in our Nashville trip.
It was for a cause.
Very disappointing.
And if I didn't mention this already, we were having contests to see who could chug the most red wine out of the bag. So that's what kind of night it was, and that was just after I was shotgunning beers. And I don't really drink a whole lot.
No.
So
now he's not drinking beer for me this weekend.
Yeah, well, hey, I'm drinking this right here, and we did have drinks last night, or a drink.
We had a drink, and it got me.
Yeah, it was plenty. But yeah, all in all, it's been really good so far. So we have, this is Friday today, then we have all of Saturday, and then we leave Sunday at like 3 in the morning or something like that. So today and tomorrow, we're going to try to make the best of it. But so far, it's been absolutely amazing. Yesterday was perfect. Mm-hmm. And yeah, we're just keeping it going. All right, we're going to get back to eating and drinking. Yes.
Round 2. Fight. Dinner was amazing. We went to Emmy Squared. Mm-hmm. We are stuffed. I feel like I'm gonna fall forward.
Yes, sir and ma'am.
We had to go for an after-dinner stroll.
Yes, we did.
We wanted to go for dessert, which I could have forced myself to eat dessert. I can always do that. Yeah. But there was nothing in the Gulch area.
Regurgitated some of that jalapeno margarita. Do I look like a shadow in the background? I just look like a floating beard back here.
Come on.
There I am. Oh, there I am. I see you guys.
Oh my gosh.
And girls.
I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Maybe a little bit tomorrow at the airport, but our flight leaves at 5:30 a.m., so I'm not sure how
I'm going to get up, leave here about 3 a.m., so we'll see.
Yeah, we're going to finish packing. I did a little bit earlier, but we're going to pack and then get in bed and probably
Tallywhacking, gosh darn it, going to have to pack.
And watch some Netflix. He said he was going to wake up at 2 in the morning and pack, and I was like, oh no, I'm packing tonight.
Do it right now.
Howdy.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ciao there. Bang, bang, ciao.
Bye.
Bye.